know, with all of the immigrant population coming in and just having a place to kind of do their thing, the development of all of these different neighborhoods is old as the city. So you get to just flow with this, you know, through the streets and through the neighborhoods and experience it. There are entire worlds in that city, and each one of them is like back to back or corner to corner with another one that's just as different than the last. So we decided just pick a place, ride a subway in, and we picked Chinatown. Looking around at, you know, the grandiose structure of Grand Central and all of the beauty of the architecture and all of just like the cosmopolitan vibe and feeling around you, you would think that that would mean accessibility, but you'd be mistaken. So to equate cosmopolitan, metropolitan with accessible is a big mistake. I think that the prevailing mentality is that the subway's easy. And honestly, that could be your experience, whether you have a handicap or not.
It is the fastest route in the city. It's much faster than driving, and so it's your first go-to.
Instructions for mobility impaired customers. Take the M42, then transfer to the E, where the 7 is available. What? There are closure listings, you know, all around you in the subway. There are like these little Xerox sheets that are just like, such and such a line is closed at such and such a station. It's so much to take in.
I'm not sure. Hopefully that's not our route.
That's a lot of information.
The last subway worked fine, right? We got down, we got on, we got off, we got up. It would hopefully go the same way. It didn't.
Yeah, it was our first little subway snafu. It could be that you get on a subway and you get off a subway, and that's the end of the story. But I think the likelihood is that most people who have any kind of mobility challenge are probably hung up in the subway quite a bit more than I'd like to even think about.
Are you kidding me? Let me just make sure the elevator's not working, okay? Can you let me back in if I...
No! Okay. Oh my god, there's a funeral dirge playing.
No, I'm not working. Oh. What are we gonna do?
I love the music, it's so appropriate.
Okay, take a downtown 6 to the Brooklyn Bridge, then take an uptown. Okay, so we gotta get to the other side.
This is one of the quarter of the stations that's supposed to be fully accessible. The elevator is closed right now. I didn't see any warning. Okay, so we're gonna get back on the train, ride it downtown one more stop, get on an uptown, and then go over there and be off the train on the other side of the tracks. Okay.
We're back. We're back on the subway.
We asked if this was an accessible station.
But it is an accessible station unless the elevator is down, and then it becomes an unaccessible station. And I'm not really sure how you're supposed to be able to tell if the elevator is down or not.
Nobody can tell. That's like the crazy part about the city is that it's so big that you can't keep up with everything that's going on at once. Like everything may be fine, except something goes slightly awry, and then everything's not fine.
When we get out, we hear the music, we've made it. We're on an empty subway. There's nobody around but us. So we were over there. There was our sign.
Visiting Chinatown was really cool. Fruit market. These neighborhoods, these different enclaves of culture have been there since the beginning of New York. You can just imagine how old the buildings are. You know, most of them were built way before the ADA even was a thing. And so you've got all kinds of obstacles, flights of stairs.
Almost every building feels like it has a basement business, and there are no elevators. Accessibility is not obvious in New York City. It is something you have to seek out.
Pizza, #1 in Italy.
So we just emerged from China straight into Italy?
The craziest part about Chinatown and Little Italy is that they're literally one block that separates them. They're like these little neighborhoods, each one in its own world.
You've got like a dumpling in your mouth going around the bend, and then you're looking at cannolis.
Even though these businesses are operating in these old buildings, they are thinking about ways to make it so that somebody with a mobility issue can still get in. We actually went to the oldest pizza place in America, Lombardi's. I feel like that's one of New York's greatest things, is that you can eat all of this fantastic food because there are so many people making what their culture is known for.
All right. Beautiful. Wow. So Lombardi's, oldest pizza place in America, and they have ADA access.
A simple accommodation with a ramp, a fold-out ramp, and some people who are willing to put it out for you when you ring the buzzer made it so that we could get in and eat a slice of that world-famous pizza. It was great to feel like you could try so many different things. You could be in this blend of one place that offered so much.
I love you. Welcome to Italy. You guys hungry?
And it made it feel like, wow, we really are right here in New York, in this immersion of culture. Our father told us stories growing up about his favorite Chinese restaurant, Wo Hop, and we wanted to go check that out.
I know, it's a lot of stairs. It's a lot of stairs. Only 15. But yeah, I don't know.
There's another one there.
Oh, it's right next door. That's the same?
Upstairs?
No, it's this one, might be one step. That one.
We're going. Thank you so much. Have a good night.
Thank you.
We will.
Sitting right there.
Amazing. You know, everybody can eat at Wo Hop.
Everybody can eat at Wo Hop.
Wo Hop's for everybody.
Cheers to New York City and all the experiences.